Early morning boat. I'm look at something there stir up. You know, nothing too fancy. There's different kind of vegetables. You know. Yeah. Camera off, I go. Guys, if you don't want me to show you how to make that meal, yeah, just comment down below. When I finish it, I'm just stir it up. You see, tell me if you can make out everything that's in my vegetable, all the different kind of vegetables that I'm working with. That's what I'm supposed to say. So just comment down below if you don't want me to show you how to make this. Yeah, this is all courtesy of Curry Kitchen. This guys, all courtesy of Curry Kitchen. Now I'm going to tell you what is inside of it. If you can make it out, just comment and tell me what you want to see. You know? And then this one. Comment and tell me if you want me to show you how to make it. You know, this is just a simple, easy meal. It doesn't take long. It not even take 20 minutes. You understand? This take like roughly 10 minutes to do. This is me. Nothing too hard. Yeah? So guys, please remember when you watch my videos to like, comment, subscribe and share. I'll show you guys the finishing product when I am finished. Simple, very easy. This is the finishing product, guys. Just comment down below. Tell me if you want me to show you how to make this meal. And it's not a fatty food. This guy is not fatty at all. This is mostly I'm not gonna tell you guys. So if you guys want to know what I just made, just comment down below and I'll tell you guys what I just make. And if y'all could make out what's inside of it, comment and let me know if y'all could make out all the vegetables. I use like 6 different kinds of vegetables. Yeah, 6. No, 8. It's 8. Actually 8 different vegetables. Get into it. And trust me guys, this is delicious. It is. You know. So I don't know, girl, I try to work on herself and have to eat right. You know, I try to change up what I eat and all that. So yeah, this is it. Get into it. Yeah.